What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Touch ID for free app downloads on your Mac. First, open up your system settings and select your Apple ID at the top. From here, choose Media and Purchases. This section controls how you download and buy apps on your Mac. Here, you will see the Free Downloads option. Make sure this is set to Never Require. You might be asked to log in with your Apple ID to authenticate this change. This will disable Touch ID for free app downloads, so you won't need to authenticate when installing free apps from the App Store. If you don't see this option, or if Touch ID still appears when downloading apps, then head to Touch ID and Password in your settings. Make sure that Use Touch ID for purchases in iTunes Store, App Store and Apple Books is turned off. In some cases, screen time restrictions might prevent you from changing this setting. To disable these restrictions, head over to the Screen Time section. Then, click on Content and Privacy and disable Store Restrictions, or at least make sure that the Allow Installing Apps option is enabled. If these options look different on your Mac, make sure you're using the latest macOS version. Head over to General, Software Update, and install any available updates before restarting your Mac. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.